In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design custom email templates using Kajabi, step by step. This will help you create professional and visually engaging emails to better connect with your audience. Let's dive in and see how you can easily do this yourself. Start by heading over to Kajabi. Once there, you'll want to locate the website section. Clicking on it will be your first task. This will take you into the hub where all your visual content and settings live. Following this, look for the Design tab and give that a click as well. This is where the creative part begins, as you'll be able to customize and personalize your email templates. Next, to expand your options, check out the Template Store. This is an excellent place to find various starting points for your email designs. Browse through the available templates and choose the one that best fits the style and aesthetic you're going for. Don't rush this part. Take the time to find a template that resonates with your brand and speaks to your audience. Once you've made your choice, save it so that it's readily available for customization. With your template saved, click on the Customize button or icon. This is where the real magic happens, allowing you to tweak the visual elements to your liking. Start by navigating to the background settings. Inside, you'll find options to edit and personalize the background appearance of your emails. Change the background color by selecting the color palette that aligns with your brand's identity. If you want to take it a step further, adjust the background image position. A centered image can create balance and focus within your design, so consider this option. Moving on, you'll find the Image Action settings. It's worth clicking the arrow down button here to explore more options. Decide on an interaction by selecting Go to a URL, which can make your emails more interactive and drive traffic to specific pages or websites. Once satisfied, return to the main menu. Find the template you've been working on and look for the three dots next to it. This will give you an alternative set of options, one of which is Export as Zip. Selecting this will allow you to save your newly customized template for future use or sharing. And there you have it, you're done. You've created a personalized email template to elevate your communication on Kajabi. If you feel inspired to experiment further, you can always go back and click on Upload Template to add and customize even more designs. Congratulations on making it through this guide. Now go ahead and use your customized emails to engage effectively with your customers.